Street lights dancing on the river tonight, golden reflections under London skies. Your shadow moving beside my own. In this city, somehow I feel at home. Midnight whispers through the pouring rain, black cabs passing down memory lane. Every heartbeat follows where you are, like the moonlight chasing every star. And the world moves slow when you hold me close. Through the city glow, I don't wanna let go. London nights and your beautiful eyes, falling like stars beneath the skyline. Every road leads back to you somehow, in this endless city here and now. Every heartbeat feels like a song, like we were meant to be all along. Under the lights where dreamers run free, London feels like you and me. Emotional piano solo, das efter kurzstärke Teil. Cinematic strings, gentle drum brushes, atmosphere a mighty vibe. Coffee mornings and the autumn breeze, old red buses moving quietly, photographs inside a crowded train. Still your smile remains inside my brain. Tower bridges shining after dark, every moment leaves another mark. Even time slows down when you appear, turning distant echoes crystal clear. And the city shines like your hand in mine. Every lonely road leads me back tonight. Oh, London nights and your beautiful eyes, burning like fire beneath midnight skies. Every dream feels close when you are near, like a melody I'll always hear. Oh, every heartbeat feels so alive, like the stars themselves began to collide. Under the rain and glowing street lights, we found forever in London nights. Soft piano and classical guitar, fading slowly with ambient city rain. Sounds and distant violin